Papa. Mommy, cook us for us, please.
You want to eat on her?
Yes.
That is what I'm going to cook. What? I should cook on her. Are you who should come? Let's go to the kitchen and cook the on her soup. What? Eh? Oh yeah, sorry. Cancer, are you going to help me?
Yes.
And cook the on her soup?
Yes.
Well, let's go to the kitchen.
Okay. Let's go now.
Let's go. You want to carry your ball and go to the kitchen, Wheezy? Welcome to this video. Okay, you guys are highly welcome. So my household has been requesting for her, so today I decided to make her soup for everybody. And this is my yam for the oha soup, and this is my meat, my omo, my oha, stockfish and dry fish. So join me, let's make this delicious oha soup. Okay, and this is me feeling myself. Yes, it's not easy to cook now. Is it easy? No, it's not easy. So join me as I make this oha soup. And this is my stockfish meat, dry fish, almost already washed. So let's cook the oha soup together. Seed inside water. Let me wash it and come next now. seeing